Best Bikes Comparison. Bike baskets are essential accessories for cyclists looking to add convenience to their rides. Whether you're commuting, grocery shopping, or heading to the farmer's market, a reliable bike basket can make transporting items easier and safer. For this comparison, the Retrospec Apollo is a detachable front bike basket made from weatherproof steel with a mesh bottom, making it ideal for carrying smaller, loose items securely. Its tool-free installation and integrated detachable hooks make it a user-friendly option for cyclists of all skill levels. With dimensions of 14 by 10.5 by 9.5 inches, it offers a respectable load capacity of 15 pounds, perfect for light groceries or personal items. In testing, the Apollo's durability stood out as its weather-resistant steel construction handled various conditions without showing signs of wear. The mesh bottom was particularly useful for carrying small items like keys or wallet without the risk of them falling out. However, the basket's weight, 2 pounds, and limited capacity may not suit users needing to transport heavier loads. It's best for casual riders who prioritize convenience and portability. The ProSource wicker bike basket offers a vintage aesthetic with its cane woven design and adjustable leather straps. Measuring 13 times 10 times 10 inches, it is compatible with most bikes, including road bikes and beach cruisers. Its lightweight construction, 7.5 ounces, makes it easy to handle, though its load capacity of 5 kilograms limits its use to lighter items like books, lunch bags, or small groceries. During testing, the ProSource basket impressed with its stylish design and ease of assembly. The leather straps provided a secure fit, but they required periodic adjustment to maintain stability. While the wicker material is visually appealing, it may not be as durable as metal options, especially in harsh weather conditions. This basket is ideal for riders seeking a lightweight and stylish accessory for casual outings. The Schwinn Quick Release Wire Basket is a practical and durable option with a weather-resistant coating to prevent rust. It features a quick-release bracket for easy attachment and detachment, and its folding handle adds versatility for off-bike use. With dimensions of 14 by 10.6 by 10.5 inches, it offers a load capacity of 9.3 pounds, making it suitable for small groceries and personal items. In our tests, the Schwinn basket performed well in terms of durability and ease of use. The quick-release mechanism was intuitive, allowing for seamless transitions between on-bike and off-bike use. However, the load capacity of 9.3 pounds may not be sufficient for heavier items, and the basket's size might be limiting for larger objects. This model is ideal for urban commuters who value convenience and reliability. The CXWXC rear bike basket is a premium option designed for versatility and durability. With dimensions of 12 by 17.7 by 8 inches, it provides ample storage space for groceries, backpacks, or even small pets. Its rust-resistant metal wire construction ensures longevity, and it includes a waterproof cover and cargo net for added security during transport. This basket excelled in testing, offering exceptional storage capacity and stability. The included waterproof cover and cargo net were particularly useful for securing items in adverse weather conditions. However, its rear-mounted design requires a bike rack, which may limit compatibility for some users. This basket is best suited for serious cyclists or commuters needing a high-capacity solution. The Leakwing Front Folding Bicycle Basket is a budget-friendly option with impressive features, including a waterproof PU liner bag and a foldable design. Measuring 13 by 7.8 by 8.6 inches, it boasts a remarkable load capacity of 44 pounds, making it suitable for groceries, pets, or deliveries. Its quick-release mechanism ensures easy installation without tools. During testing, the Leakwing basket stood out for its high load capacity and versatility. The waterproof liner bag was effective in protecting items during rainy rides, and the foldable design allowed for compact storage when not in use. However, its lower price point may come at the expense of long-term durability. This basket is ideal for budget-conscious riders who need a high-capacity solution for everyday use.